I was very interested with the CITYSCAPE study. So this is basically a phase 2 study. Patients, first line, advanced lung cancer patients who had positive PD-L1 expression, so PD-L1 expression greater than 1%, randomized to either atezolizumab, so a single agent immunotherapy drug, or atezolizumab with an anti-TIGIT agent. And this is really preliminary data, but very interesting because the response rate to a single agent atezolizumab was 24%, and the response rate to atezolizumab with the anti-TIGIT compound was 66%. I think it was over 60%, particularly in the patients who had high PD-L1. So we've gone in the last few years to understanding that immunotherapy is a good treatment for lung cancer. We also know from Keynote-24 that single agent immunotherapy is superior to chemotherapy in high PD-L1 patients. And now we're getting the next rung on the ladder, which is actually we're looking at combinations that might improve the outcome from single agent immunotherapy even more. So this is just very preliminary. Lots more bigger studies are going to have to be done, but very exciting. Toxicity is always a concern when you start adding multiple immunotherapeutic agents in with each other, and there was some toxicity issues here, but they look manageable. But as bigger studies are done, I think we'll learn more. So that for me was very interesting. There was more data on chemoimmunotherapy in lung cancer. So chemoimmunotherapy is used quite widely now. There was a trial called CheckMate 9LA, which looked at Nivolumab plus Ipilimumab plus chemotherapy. So, 4-drug treatment. It shows that chemoimmunotherapy basically looks better than chemo alone. But does it add anything? Does it show any superiority over any of the other chemoimmunotherapy agents that are currently approved? The answer to that is we don't know, but it doesn't look, when you look at the data, it doesn't look any better than, for example, chemo pembrolizumab, but a significantly higher discontinuation rate of about 16%. So more toxicity with more intensive immunotherapy. There are some TKI trials, I think, that were quite nice. There was updated data on exon 20 insertions and poziotinib. So there are a range of TKIs that are being developed for different types of EGFR mutation. It's very likely. I mean, the data coming out looks very interesting. Looks like these drugs are very active. Trials are ongoing. I've no doubt that these drugs will get approved and licensed in due course, but we have to just wait.